So I got these hole saws. Some of you probably have them. They're designed for, sawing a hole in a door. If you need to put in the door handle, you saw it open and make a hole in the door for the handle. And, most people, this is just a tool for getting that hole in the door job done, right? So when I got these, I drilled a hole, and then I realized, it's more than just a way to make a 2/8, a 1 3/4, 1.5, and 1 1/4 inch holes. They're actually something that you could do more with.